Today's unboxing is on the Kyosho 2 car box set based on the Circuit Wolf, which is a very popular manga in the 70s. The casting featured are the Lotus Europa and also the Yatabe RS, which I'm very excited about. The sleeve contains 2 boxes which are packed separately. You can see the actual casting that is featured on the packaging. Behind is a short bio of the Circuit Wolf manga that is based all the way back in the 70s. And you can see the official license decal from Lotus. And just like many Kyosho packaging, the boxes are sealed, which means you have to tear the flap to take out the casting. The Yatabe RS is a very interesting casting. It's an imaginary car for the Circuit Wolf manga, and this casting is inspired from the actual Ferrari Dino 206, which you can still see the Dino logo on the side. And because it's a modified casting, you cannot see any Ferrari official decals on the box. Alright, the casting are now out from the box. You can see that the flap is very secured by glue, and I have to tear them apart. No acrylic cases here. You can see that the Lotus is just secured by the blister cover. Behind is the collector card which features the Lotus Europa. Wow, this casting looks very realistic and the details are superb. You can see very intricate details here and the finishing. I really like the chrome parts. It's really done very well, and all this silver trimming really packs a punch of details. I really like the rear light and the rear wing. The rear wing is not bent, it's perfect. This whole casting looks so realistic, like straight out from the Circuit Wolf manga, and it's great. Alright, it's proven that the wheels does roll, although not great, but it can roll. And this whole casting looks very impressive, really down to the minor details. And now the casting I'm very excited about, the Yatabe RS based on the Ferrari Dino 206. Same behind is a collector card which features the Yatabe RS. Although it's an imaginary casting from the Circuit Wolf manga, it looks great. It's a pity I do not have the other Ferrari 206 to compare the difference, but it's okay. I think I just spot a QC error, which I'm very disappointed because I already have high expectation of this casting. And this Yatabe RS is the reason why I purchased this box set. You can see there's a blemish on the front headlights. The frosted area comes from the inside of the clear plastic, and it cannot be removed. So disappointed by this QC error, especially from Kyosho. And now that I've seen it, I can't unsee. I can't take my eyes away from this frosted area. I think apart from the QC error, the Yatabe RS is an awesome casting. And if you are a Ferrari lover, this casting is definitely going inside your collection. But beware, because the box is sealed, you cannot see the casting beforehand, and you can only spot the error after you open the seal box, just like mine. More video features coming from initial model and many Tomica limited vintage. If you like this video, do give a thumbs up, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!